When it comes to real estate property management software, Korbitec stands out in the market, but there are some key points you should know before making a decision. This video covers 12 things you need to consider before buying Korbitec, especially when comparing it to its competitors. Let's dive into the details. First thing you'll want to know is that Korbitec is known for its automation features, streamlining tasks like invoice generation and property management. This is a significant time saver when compared to other property management tools. However, the setup process can be a bit complex, so be prepared to dedicate time to get everything configured properly. Next thing to keep in mind is the pricing structure. Korbitec offers competitive pricing compared to other software options like Buildium or Appfolio, but there are often additional costs for add-ons and advanced features, so make sure to factor in the potential extra expenses before committing. The third thing you should know is that Korbitec excels in integrating with third-party services, making it versatile if you're already using tools like QuickBooks or Salesforce. While some competitors have limited integration options, Korbitec offers broad compatibility, which is great for growing businesses. The fourth thing to be aware of is that Korbitec's user interface is clean, but it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. It takes time to learn the ins and outs of the dashboard, especially compared to simpler platforms like Rentec Direct. If you're new to property management software, there might be a learning curve. Next, Korbitec stands out with its advanced reporting tools. The software offers detailed insights into financials, lease agreements, and tenant information. While this is a huge advantage, if you're only looking for basic reporting, it might feel a bit overbuilt, especially compared to more streamlined platforms like Tenant Cloud. The sixth thing you should know is that Korbitec offers excellent customer support with a responsive team available via phone, email, or chat. Many other property management solutions can have slower response times, so if support is important to you, Korbitec performs well in this area. The seventh point is that Korbitec offers a decent mobile app, though it's not as intuitive or polished as some competitors like Propertyware or Appfolio. It works well enough for most tasks, but if you're constantly on the go, you might want to test the app thoroughly before fully committing. Next, Korbitec's automation of tasks, like lease renewals and reminders, helps ensure that nothing falls through the cracks, making it ideal for large portfolios. However, smaller property managers might find the advanced features unnecessary, especially if they don't need that level of complexity. The ninth thing to consider is Korbitec's scalability. It's built to handle large portfolios with ease, making it a strong option for property managers with hundreds or thousands of units. But if you're managing a small number of properties, it might feel a bit excessive, especially compared to more lightweight solutions. The 10th thing you should know is that Korbitec does not specialize in tenant communication like some of its competitors, such as Tenant Cloud or Buildium, which provide more built-in messaging features. While Korbitec allows communication through email integrations, it might not offer the same level of streamlined communication as other tools. The 11th point is the security features. Korbitec takes data security seriously, implementing encryption and robust authentication measures. This is an important factor to consider, as security is always a priority when managing sensitive tenant and financial information. Finally, it's worth noting that Korbitec offers a strong support community and detailed training resources to help users get the most out of the platform. But, like with any software, there is a bit of a learning curve, so take the time to explore the available materials and tutorials. In conclusion, Korbitec is a solid choice for property managers, offering automation, integration options, and strong support. However, if you're looking for a more user-friendly platform or a more affordable option for smaller businesses, there are other solutions worth considering. For a better alternative, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.